If you're using Canva Pro, Canva for Teams, Canva for Education, or Canva for nonprofits, one of the powerful features available to you is the ability to upload and use custom fonts. This is especially useful for maintaining brand consistency or giving your designs a unique flair. Let's walk through how to do it step by step. Before you upload anything, make sure your font file is ready. Canva supports 3 formats: .ttf, .otf, and .woff. Also, it's very important to ensure you have the legal rights or license to use the font. Without proper licensing, you might run into legal issues down the line. Now, head over to the Canva homepage. Whether you're on a desktop or mobile device, look at the left sidebar and click on Brand. This will take you to your brand kit, which is where all your brand assets, like logos, colors, and fonts, are stored. Inside the brand kit, scroll down to the Fonts section. You'll see an option to either add new or upload a font. Click that, then select your font file from your device. Canva will ask you to confirm that you have the proper rights to use the font. Just agree to the prompt to proceed with the upload. Once your font is uploaded, it will appear in your font list under a section labeled Uploaded Fonts. From here on, using it is just like using any other font in Canva. Simply click on any text box, open the font drop-down, and select your uploaded font to start designing.